Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. The market is still open, got a few minutes, so you're not blind or need that eye doctor. That candle very well may change. But as far as what I'm going to talk about, unless something drastic happens, which would be kind of cool to capture on video, then nothing is going to change. I did do this analysis yesterday on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done, as once again, the chart has made a great move. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of that line. Yeah, it pertains, just not relevant, and I don't want lines everywhere and risk causing clutter and confusion. The first and one of the newest updates here is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, and for those of you that watched the video from yesterday, 770 was that area of resistance, but you can see just a beautiful technical breakout right there, and that was pretty much the floodgates opening back up as the price went all the way up there. As far as more of an ideal level of support, means say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 815. But if the price falls below 815, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture of things, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is just going to continue to move its way higher and higher. And like I've said in past videos, the most straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 815 would be great. But as far as the big picture is concerned, just stay above that purple line and the bulls are in full control. As far as levels of resistance, I think I did this yesterday. I'm going to continue to do it. But resistances don't matter. What matters for this chart is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. Just keep on building the higher bases. As long as these bases keep getting higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so over time, as long as the stair steps keep progressing in the upwards direction, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and higher lows and just sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.